Hi everyone! This lesson is all about navigating Flint and implementing Flint into your classrooms. First off, let's start with groups. Groups are a great way in Flint to organize any set of users. Most schools, and this is what our team recommends, automate the group creation process by doing an SIS or LMS import. That way, all of the rosters are automatically put into Flint, and teachers will be put as owners of the groups of the courses that they're teaching. But on top of this, you can also create your own groups. You can create extra groups for any extracurricular clubs, any faculty groups, any departments, and more. It's really flexible in that way. Either way, once you have your groups in Flint, it's highly recommended to go into the settings and add learning goals and background for your group. This is just an extra prompt that you can give Flint where you describe a bit more context on what the members in your group are like and how Flint should better cater to their needs. Groups also come with their own group analytics, which can give you more insight into how students are improving over the course of multiple activities. Next, I want to talk about sharing activities in Flint. Flint has so many potential uses. It's really brought passionate teachers together. And the results of combined exploration, both within singular schools and across multiple schools, has really blown our team away. So, within Flint, we've given you multiple options for sharing activities, depending on how it is that you want to collaborate with others. If you want to share an activity as is, you can duplicate it and make the other individual an owner, or you can publish it to either your school or the public library and make it a template readily available for anyone to use. If you want to co create activities, what you could do is add another individual as an additional owner on an existing activity that you're working on. That way, you both can make changes to the settings of that same activity. As you begin your exploration with Flint, there's a really easy way to get any tech support that you might need at any moment. If you click on Learn More About Flint and then Help, that will open a chat with our custom designed AI help bot that has been trained on all of our documentation about all of our features. So it's pretty knowledgeable about any sort of tech questions that you might have. But if there's anything that it can't answer, or if you're trying to get feedback to our team, all of those conversations are monitored by our team and we will respond as soon as possible. Now that we've gotten some of the technical details out of the way, the rest of this lesson covers defining responsible use of AI and establishing clear guidelines, both for teachers and for students. It's helpful to have a common platform to talk about what this actually looks like when applied to the classroom. So for teachers, it's important to monitor the interactions that students have with AI, be clear on your expectations for use, design activities that encourage and require critical thinking, teach and model productive AI interaction and communication, and always to keep all of those expectations up to date. And then on the student side, you want to ensure that they understand the school's AI policy, that they know how to cite whenever they use AI in their work, encourage them to use Flint as a learning tool and not a shortcut, discuss how to use AI while maintaining academic integrity, and how to be transparent about their use of AI. That's it for this lesson. Take some time to read through the content and feel free to go ahead and hop into Flint and set up your groups, especially that learning goals and background piece. And I'll see you in the next one.